Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to delete your account in Vinted in 2025. To do it, click on your profile in bottom right corner. Now go to settings, then go to account settings. Now go to my account. You can enter the reason if you want, but you don't need to. And confirm that all your transactions are completed, and make sure about that, because if you delete your account, it will be deactivated immediately. And like your transactions, if they haven't been completed, your money may disappear. So make sure that you don't have any money in the Vinted account, that you have withdrawn all your money, or that you've bought all the items for the money that you had in your Vinted account, because otherwise that money will be lost. Click on delete account, and now that account is deleted. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.